Hello, this is Isidro, your virtual respiratory therapist with Home Oxygen Company, and I'm here to tell you about the recent news from ResMed regarding their magnetic masks. ResMed is doing a field correction with all magnetic masks because of possible interference with medical devices at home. Based on the letter that you'll receive from Home Oxygen and ResMed regarding their mask field correction, the affected masks would be the AirFit F20, the AirTouch F20. A good substitution for those masks would be the Fisher & Paykel Vetera full face mask, the ResMed AirFit F30 and F30i. A good substitution for that mask would be the Fisher & Paykel Evora full face mask, the ResMed AirFit N20. A good substitution for that mask would be the ESON 2 from Fisher & Paykel. If you have any more questions regarding this issue and ResMed's field correction, please feel free to reach out to Home Oxygen Company.